The market brings the pain on Friday. Is there more pain for Monday, or do we finally see some gains? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market closed about 35 points down on Friday, closing at the lows and breaking our 44.70 support. So it was a kind of painful day from that regard. And in looking at the structure, it's very likely that Monday will continue to bring some more pain. Now I'll get into that in just 1 second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so the market was down 35 points on Friday, breaking through our 44.70 support and closing on secondary support at 44.50. Given the structure that we're looking at, it's very likely we're going to see some more down move on Monday before probably reversing around Tuesday. I kind of think Tuesday will be a pretty strong reversal day, and there are a few reasons for that, and we can see them in the charts. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute futures chart. And as we take a look at Friday's action, there was something early on that perked my ears up to something strange is going on. And it was the rally out of the open. So we pushed up past a normal wave 4 that we would have expected before completing C down at 44.70 and rallied up over 4,500 again. And that was just a little strange to me. It didn't seem like we should be rallying yet. And I didn't think it was going to be a strong rally that took us to new highs. And it didn't. And then we collapsed down. And we bounced right off the 44.68 region, which is right in between the targets I gave out in Friday's video, which was 44.70 to 44.65. We got a decent bounce off volume there, so I did put out a buy alert because that was the target. Still, this bothered me a little bit. We got a bounce. I told everybody we had to get through 44.87. We did not. Once that failed, I was pretty confident this was going to break, which it did, and brought us down to our secondary support. And given the overall structure and what's going on in the overnights here, this little move up and then down, it's looking a lot like this. So the most common target for a C wave is the length of the A wave. We talk about this a lot in corrections. A equals C, which is how we got the 44.65, okay? So 44.65 held for a minute, then it didn't. Or held here, sorry, for a minute, and then it didn't, and it broke through. So when the 1.0 extension does not hold, okay, right here, 44.65, when that doesn't hold, all right, then we're looking at the 1618 extension as the next most common target. So the way that breaks down is our A wave we said ended here, which it did. Then you got B up, okay? And then instead of this being the 5-wave C move down like we were looking for, it was actually only wave 1 of C. So what we're looking at for the C wave now is 1 being here, 2 being here, and then 3 probably hitting this 1382 here for wave 5, and then 4 bouncing up, and then 5 completing down here at 44.25 or in that range. So this is the pattern that we are looking for to play out, and we're probably looking at this 44.25 region for support. It's going to give or take 5 points, 44.30 to 44.20, but 1618 is really what we're looking for the market to bounce. Now, we do have one more support level after that, and that's the 4400 support level, and that is a pretty strong support level. But if this breaks, if this 4400 breaks, it is lookout below, and it's lookout below in a hurry. This will be an elevator ride down toward the 4200 region, and you're going to have to buckle your seatbelts for that one. But I don't think that's what we're lining up for. The structure doesn't support it. I have said this over and over again. This does not look like the crash or the move down or the correction that we're looking for a little later this month. I think we still rally to 4600 first, and the structure is really lining up for that. So the way I see this happening is tomorrow is Monday, or today as you're watching this video, and I see this finishing out this pattern Monday either by the close or into the overnights. And then I see Tuesday actually being a pretty strong rally day. We should get a bounce in this region, and from there start looking up towards 4600 to 4630. Okay, the reason the number moved down from 4650 is that your target here moved down to 4225 instead of being up here at 4470. So that's kind of what we're looking at with the structure right now, guys. There's going to be some more pain tomorrow. I'm pretty confident in that. It's possible this support holds, but it's really not the most likely scenario and not the one I'm looking for. So we will likely get a bounce down in this region here, as I said, up for wave 4, and then one more kill shot down to our final support level before getting the reversal we've been looking for. So we should have a pretty good idea of when the reversal happens, because it should be a pretty strong reversal and a pretty strong rally. And really, as I said, I'm expecting that on Tuesday. So depending on where we finish on Monday, if we are able to complete the whole pattern on Monday, then I especially think Tuesday will be a rally day. But if we get close and we're not quite there, you could see like a morning low on Tuesday to finish out the pattern, and then an explosive rally out of that. But I think the second half of the week this week, we should see a strong move up. So overall, the theme remains the same from my perspective. We should see a rally to 4,600 before we see a breakdown below 4,400. However, if 4,400 breaks, if you have any long position at all at that point, I would start looking to get out of that, because it will be a lookout below moment. It will go very quickly down to the 4,200 range, and then at that point, we should see a strong buying opportunity to move up. So 4,400 is the overall key level. That's a big key support range. There's really nothing under it to hold us up. So as long as we stay above that, 4,600 remains on the table. But below 4,400, we look down, and we look down quickly. If you like the information that I put out in this video and you want to get real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It'll take you over to Facebook. Okay, you need to get approved to get into my group, and the only thing I ask is that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I'll let you in the group. So go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the Facebook link, come over to Facebook. All right, once you get in, you can go to our announcements tab, and in there you scroll down, and you'll see our documented trades, where you can see how we've been trading as long as this channel's been going. And you scroll down just a little further, and you see our Slack channel. Slack is just a free chat channel. It's where I give out all my real-time market updates, all of our trade alerts, our buy alerts, our sell alerts. I answer everybody's questions. There's also a very talented group of traders in there. We would love to have you over there and make some money together. So come on over to our Slack channel and join the group, guys. Okay, so the key takeaways for today: we are watching for the market to go ahead and finish out this C wave down. I'm looking at about 44.25 as the bottom. And again, the key level remains 4,400. As long as we stay above that, we should rally to 4,600 first. However, if this level breaks, we are looking down, and we are looking down in a hurry. Okay, guys, so that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.